If you're a beginner looking to start your own Amazon FBA business, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to provide you with practical step-by-step tips and strategies to help you find winning products to sell. A lot of people actually overlook this one place for finding winning products, and that is Amazon's new releases page. It's a great place to stay ahead of the curve and find those new and trending products before everyone else does. If you stumble upon this video today, then you are in luck because I'm going to share with you exactly how to use this page to find your winning product. All right, so here I am on Amazon.com. You want to first go to the new releases page right here. This is a great place for finding potential products to sell on Amazon, as it shows you all the best-selling new and future releases, and this page is updated frequently. And then you want to look through all the categories on the left side to pick a niche you're interested in selling in. So today, let's look into home and kitchen. Now, there's actually one thing you need to install beforehand, and that is DS Amazon Quick View. So this allows you to see the bestseller rank number for each product easily. The BSR number is a good indicator of how well a product is currently selling on Amazon. And the lower the BSR number, the better the sales, the more competitive the market is. You'll typically want to start with a product that has a BSR number higher than 1,000. This means that the product is not too competitive for first-time sellers like yourself, making it easy for you to sell and rank for that product. So you can just search up DS Amazon Quick View in the Chrome Web Store. And you can simply click Add to Chrome to add this extension. And I'm just going to pin this one so it's more accessible. All right, so let's go back to the Amazon page right here. And on the left side, you can see is the category tree of the home and kitchen department. If you click on one subcategory, such as the kitchen and dining subcategory, you'll then see more subcategories. And typically, the deeper you go into each subcategory, the more niche the market is and less competitive the products are. At the same time, you will usually see the BSR number go up as you go deeper and deeper into the subcategory, meaning that it's less and less competitive. As we can see here, the BSR number, the average BSR numbers here, it's a couple hundreds. I mean, there's one that's above 1,000, but generally it's in the hundreds. So let's go even more niche into a specific subcategory. So let's go into dining and entertaining. As you can see, the more we go into the subcategory, the higher the BSR number, meaning the market is less competitive. Yeah, so here, in general, the products here are in the thousands for BSR number. So let's actually take a closer look at this product right here, this glass cup set with bamboo lids and straws. Now, before I move on to the next step, I wanted to let you know that if you are interested in learning the step-by-step proven system to make passive income selling on Amazon, you can sign up for my free on-demand masterclass to learn the 4-step framework for building a profitable Amazon FBA business. The link to snag your spot is down in the description box below. All right, so now that we know this product is likely selling well from the Amazon's new releases page, we can also check if it's profitable with all the costs, such as product cost, shipping cost, and Amazon FBA fees. So Helium 10 actually has a great tool called the Profitability Calculator that will give you a great estimation for that. So Helium 10 is a great tool for building your profitable Amazon FBA business. It helps with your product research, inventory management, profitability estimation, tracking your PPC costs, and so on. And I actually managed to get a 20% off your first 6 months discount with Helium 10. And you can snag that discount in the description box below. But if you're unsure about subscribing, you can actually start with their free Chrome extension and later upgrade if you decide to do so. So this profitability calculator tool from Helium 10 actually give you a great estimation for the product's profitability. As you can see, it gives you an estimation of the unit manufacturing cost, unit shipping cost, and Amazon FBA fees. And we can see the profit margin for this product is around 30% and 28% for the fourth quarter. And the net profit for each product is almost $7. So this tool gives you a pretty good view at if this product is even profitable before moving forward. And obviously, you'll only get the most realistic product cost and profit margin by talking to suppliers to get the real quotes. And I highly suggest you to do that before making any investment in inventory or shipping. But this is a pretty good first view at the product's profitability. Next, you want to look at the niche as a whole, not just this simple product. So you're going to do a search on this product keyword on Amazon.com. This will help you see all the other similar products available in the same niche and if they are selling well. So next, let's get the keyword for this product and do a search on Amazon.com. And typically you can find the keyword at the beginning of the product title. So I'm going to do a search for this keyword and make sure you select all departments to do the search. All right, so now Amazon has pulled up all current sellers offering similar products as the one we just found. Next, you want to use a product research tool, such as Helium 10's X-ray product search tool to look up data on these products. This tool will essentially give you information on the product's revenue, sales, and all the other important metrics. You can use this tool to find other products that are related to the one you're searching. So let's click on this tool, and you see it's loading all the data about the products we're looking at. And you want to then sort the products by revenue from highest to lowest. Now, the next step is really important. You want to then look for a product that's high in revenue but low in review count. This means that the product is in demand and has not been saturated by other sellers. This is a great opportunity for you to get in on the ground floor and establish yourself as a seller in that niche. But before you go ahead and do that, you need to make sure you're comparing apples to apples. So you want to remove any product that's not similar as the one you're looking at. For example, we're looking at glass cups with bamboo lids and straw. So remove any product that's not what we're looking for. If you're looking to launch a 4 pieces set, then you want to remove any product that's very different from the 4 pieces set. So this 12 pieces set is not a like-for-like product. You can also see this by looking at their prices. Their prices usually are significantly different as well. So you really want to only leave products that your potential customers would consider when looking at your product. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this 12 pieces set, as well as this 12 pieces set, and this 13 pieces set. So this process is really to make sure that you are comparing apples to apples and all the data here is accurate. After removing all non-like-for-like products, you can then examine the data on the right side to see if this niche has the potential to be a winning product. We can see that this product generates a lot of monthly revenues for these sellers, but there are also a lot of reviews, meaning that these sellers are already very established and this market is pretty competitive. Now, revenues usually indicate demand and review count indicates competition. So you want to really look for high revenues but low review count. You can also drag and drop the columns for an easier view. Now, another concerning factor is their BSR numbers. So BSR, or bestseller rank, is a metric that shows how well a product is selling compared to other products listed in the same category. And usually the lower the number, the more competitive it is. And typically you want to avoid products that have sellers with BSR lower than 1,000. And the problem here is that there are a few sellers with BSR lower than 1,000, meaning that this product is pretty competitive. And as a new seller, you want to be careful with going with this product because it'll be extremely difficult for you to compete with these existing sellers and make enough money. And typically you want to find a product where the average of review counts for top 10 sellers is lower than 2,000. And we can see here the review count is pretty high. So I wouldn't say this is a good product to launch for first-time sellers. Now, you really want to invest time into doing this over and over again and really look for a product that fits all the important criteria. Now, once you find a potential product this way, the next important step is to actually speak with suppliers to get a more realistic estimate of the product price, as well as shipping estimate in order to calculate this product profit margin so you can be 100% confident that you are investing money and time in a product that will succeed on Amazon FBA. So yeah, hopefully what I showed you today gave you some idea about how to look for your first winning product. Now remember, this is only a small percentage of the whole comprehensive product research process to ensure that your product will succeed on Amazon FBA. Now, if you want to learn more about this, I have a free masterclass on the 4-step framework for a profitable Amazon FBA business, and you can learn more about the complete system of choosing the right product for your business. The sign-up link is in the description box below. In conclusion, finding the right product to sell is the most crucial step to success on Amazon FBA because you will need to put money into the inventory and shipment of the product. As a beginner who wants to make passive income with Amazon FBA, it's extremely important to follow a systematic product research method, including checking the important data such as monthly revenue, review count, BSR rank, and so on, so that you are 100% confident that this product will make you money. And this video only shows a very small part of the product research and validation process. Now, if you want to learn the comprehensive framework, then be sure to sign up for my free masterclass via the link in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.